What's up, Jamie from High Tide. Now I'm really pumped. We're going tuna fishing, probably 40 to 50 miles out. We're going very early for a long day and getting all kinds of stuff ready. As you can see, the 50 wides, 30s, spinning gear, more spinning gear, a bunch of popper lures, more, and even some trolling lures, because we heard there's striped marlin also, so that might be an option. I'll let you guys enjoy a little time lapse while I get everything ready, and I'll see you out there in the water. Alright, so the plan was definitely starting by trolling, like you saw in the first images. We put a couple lures, a couple teaser out, chances of marlin, sailfish, mahis. But the main purpose of trolling that day was to cover some ground. We were looking for spinner dolphins. These days the tunas will stick right under the dolphins all the time. Every time you find the spinners, you find the tunas. So that's what we were looking for, and after 3 hours of trolling and no fish, we found a giant school of spinners, and like you'll see in the next images, it was on popper, stick bait, whatever you want to throw at them. Made it for an amazing day we'll remember forever. So hope you guys enjoy watching that.
Ahí está, ahí está, ahí está. Yes, aquí, güey.
Oh guys, we just found them. 11 a.m. We left the house at 3 a.m. and we're hooked on yellowfin. They're all over. Ew! No mames! Yee-hoo! Got me!
Fuerte, fuerte.
Sin recogerlo, vale. Está grande. Mira. Woo! Tuna one after another on the Nobi stick bait. Guys, we're pulling the boat with yellowfin tuna. What dreams are made of. We're in Puerto Vallarta and we got lucky and worked hard, woke up early.
De frente aquí. Olga. De frente, Jimmy, te viene jalando.
¿Quién pegó?
Olga.
Yo también, vale.
Ay.
En veux-tu des tons? Woo!
Come on, Gabby.
Estaban como atrás. Ah, no, pues aquí están. ¡Yoo! Hooked up.
Hey guys, we got spinning reels going on tuna. We caught, I don't know how many, probably 25, 30 now. One after the other on the spinning reels. Doesn't get any better.
You heard my dad, it doesn't get any better than that. Tunas all over the place. I thought, let's get my biggest popper out there, and of course these tunas crushed it on their first cast. Take a look at that.
Oh, I'll go see. No ball.
What's this, your popper?
Oh!
Okay guys, on the popper now. Yeah boy. Yo te lo llevo. Hooked up. Still hooked up. 2 cooler filled with yellowfin tuna. There we go, baby. Woo! All right, we're now in the kitchen. As you guys saw, we got a lot of success on the water, but most of you fishermen know it's more work in the kitchen than it is on the water. So there we go. Tuna all over the kitchen. That's what you want to see when you wake up. More tunas, guys, all over. Time to get to work. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm very sorry for running all over and speaking 3 languages at a time. That's how I get when fishing is that good. I'm so used to working hard, trying to find the fish, trying to make them eat whatever you're throwing at them, that when it's that good, I just turn crazy and try to enjoy every moment as a fisherman more than as a cameraman probably, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. I want to remember you guys that we are a charter business here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We're called High Tide Fishing, so you can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and also subscribe to the channel. We'll put a lot more material. We also own a lodge here that's called Hacienda Maria Elena. So we offer an all-inclusive package. We get you from the airport to the villa. We have the chef that takes care of you at the villa, and we take you fishing as much as you want. So if that sounds interesting to you, send us a message and it will be a pleasure to answer you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon.